Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Birchbox unboxing for August. Really cool box as always. Card on top says, "Dear self, action also requires rest. Give yourself the permission to do both." Products are on the back. I'm gonna put that aside for a moment. Let's make finding beauty stuff fun. Talks about when they launched 10 years ago. All right, let's take a look at the products. So the first thing I'm pulling out is by Arrow. This is Weightless Brow Tint. Oh, that's exciting. I definitely use stuff like that. I normally use Benefit. I have not tried this brand. Yeah, it looks similar to what I use as far as the wand and everything. So that's really cool. Excited to have that. Also have from R&Co Suncatcher Powerful C Boosting Leave-In Conditioner. Very nice. On the card it says to help detangle and smooth and to prep and prime hair. Definitely use that. Next up, hand sanitizer. Be kinder to yourself. Looks like a lotion bottle, so I'm kind of curious how this is going to come out. If it's like a lotion or liquid. Let me see if I can get this off without chipping my nails. I just punctured the top, but yeah, it's definitely just a gel hand sanitizer. I didn't smell a scent on it. Let me smell it again. Yeah, not really. It just smells like rubbing alcohol, but could always use that, especially during COVID. I'm constantly using that whenever I get in or out of the car. Next up, Glassy Skin Balm. Interesting. Let's see what it says about this. It's a moisturizing primer that melts into your skin, leaving behind a brighter complexion and glow that lasts all day. Ooh, dropping stuff. 2 more items. Kate Somerville Wrinkle Warrior 2-in-1 Plumping Moisturizer and Serum. Pretty interesting. Oh my god, it says full size. It is $98 for full size. Woohoo, that's expensive. And the last one is by Vasanti Brighten Up Love My Hand Cream. I thought Vasanti normally did hair stuff. Am I thinking about that wrong? Maybe I am. Doesn't really have much of a scent. But yeah, that's what I got. It's kind of light, it's not too thick. So those are my items that I got this month. It always gives you more details, tells you the full size prices. And yeah, that's what I got. If you would like to sign up for Birchbox, I will have all the information in the description box below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.